Hello everyone, welcome to LAWMINDS. Today I will be speaking on the rights of Muslim women after divorce under Muslim personal law and Indian legal system. Divorce does not mean the end of a woman's dignity or legal protection. Indian courts and legislation have consistently worked to ensure that Muslim women are not left destitute or helpless after divorce. Through this video, I will explain these rights clearly and legally. Under Muslim law, divorce is permitted, but it is not encouraged. When divorce does take place, the law ensures that a woman's financial security, residence, and dignity are protected. Many people wrongly believe that Muslim women have no rights after divorce. This is a myth. In reality, Muslim personal law, combined with constitutional principles, provides multiple safeguards to divorced Muslim women. Muslim women recognize different forms of divorces. Talaq is divorce initiated by the husband. Khula is divorce initiated by the wife, usually by returning Mehr or compensation. Mubarat is divorce by mutual consent. And last, judicial divorce or fasakh is granted by the court when the husband is cruel, missing, or neglectful. The rights of a Muslim woman after divorce do not disappear simply because the divorce was initiated by her or the husband. Mehr, also known as Dower, is a mandatory obligation on the husband. It is not a gift but a legal right of the wife. Mehr may be prompt Mehr payable immediately, deferred Mehr payable at divorce or death. After divorce, a woman can legally claim unpaid Mehr, even through court proceedings. Failure to pay Mehr amounts to legal liability. The Iddat period is usually 3 menstrual cycles or 3 months after divorce. During this period, the husband is legally bound to maintain his divorced wife, including food, clothing, residence. This right is recognized under Muslim personal law and supported by Indian judicial decisions. Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 was enacted after the famous Shah Bano case. The act ensures that a divorced Muslim woman is entitled to reasonable and fair provision, maintenance during iddat, return of meher, and all properties given to her during marriage. Courts have clarified that reasonable and fair provision is not limited to iddat period, but should secure the women's future. In Daniel Latifi versus Union of India case, the Supreme Court interpreted the 1986 Act in a progressive manner. The court held that the husband must make a lump sum provision during iddah sufficient for the woman's future. If she cannot maintain herself, she may seek maintenance under Section 125 of CrPC. Thus, Muslim women are not excluded from general maintenance laws. A divorced Muslim woman has the right to reside in the matrimonial home during iddat, protection from illegal eviction. The right to residence is considered part of fair and reasonable provision, ensuring that the woman is not rendered homeless after divorce. Under Muslim law, custody is governed by the principle of hizanat. Mother has preferential right to custody of minor children. Welfare of the child is the paramount consideration. Father remains responsible for the financial maintenance of the child. Indian courts always prioritize child welfare over personal law rules. In Shaira Bano versus Union of India 2017 case, the Supreme Court declared instant triple talaq unconstitutional. Later, the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019 said declared instant triple talaq illegal, made it a punishable offense, protected women's right to maintenance and custody. This judgment strengthened the constitutional value of equality and dignity. To conclude, Muslim women in India enjoy strong legal rights after divorce. These rights ensure financial security, right to residence, maintenance, and child custody, protection from arbitrary divorce. Indian courts have consistently interpreted Muslim law in a manner that upholds justice, dignity, and gender equality. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more such content.